Hello everyone, this is Surya from Pixel Infos. Today's video is about text masking in Illustrator. First, choose an image and place it here and drag the size. On that, type your text there. I write New York and resize the image and place the text into the image wherever you want and press shift key, click both the image and the text. Go to the object menu, then clipping mask, make mask. Here is ready, and if you need a shadow or anything, choose that. Here is ready. Yes, this is. And another image is, you can choose any image here, and I repeated that. I write New York and placing it in the right place and plus shift key and hold the text and image and go to the object, make a clipping mask. Here is ready. Thank you.